Doc, totoo ba ang fruits ang dahilan ng fatty liver? Yung sobra-sobrang pagkain ng fruits, ito po yung isa sa mga dahilan po. Why is that? Kasi yung prutas po are nature's candies. It's supposed to be enjoyed reasonably na parang dessert po. But this is in the context of kung hindi pa malala ang inyong sakit po, you can have yung occasional fruits po ninyo. Kung grabe pa po talaga yung sakit ninyo, completely out of control, meron po tayong food guide sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam. You can send a message to our page. You can also join our group. Ito po yung grupo natin. Mag-join po kayo dyan. Kapag nag-join kayo, you will be able to get yung welcome package. The welcome package includes yung food guide po natin. Food guide has all the lists ng mga pagkain that you can look into. For example, prutas, example of the fruits that you can have reasonably po within the net carb allowance. Na, by the way, ano yung net carb allowance po, Doc, sa mga magsisimula pa lamang? Low carb is a very big umbrella. Under that umbrella, there are many different categories. Depende sa pagkakalagay mo ng kategorya. Depende sa anong pinag-uusapan. For example, one of the ways to categorize yung isang low carber is by amount of net carbs. So ito yung lagi kong sinasabi, when you are just starting out, it really depends on yung purposes mo, the goals, yung estado ng kalusugan mo. There are three main categories po: ketogenic, moderate, liberal. Although there are low net carb na mga prutas, the issue with that is the portion po. The portion, if you're eating a lot, then that can easily add up para lumagpas kayo, for example, sa liberal. Yung prutas nga, as I was saying, it's nature's candies. Meron siyang natural na asukal na kung tawagin ay fructose. So every time, mga kapatid, maririnig ninyo ang pangalan na fructose, it can exist in two forms, natural, which comes from the fruit, and yung mga prinoseso. High fructose corn syrup na paboritong ilagay ng mga manufacturer sa mga pagkain po because it makes the food really palatable, it makes the food last longer on the shelves, and most of all, it makes the food very addicting. Dahil asukal po yan eh. So, the moment that sugar level, from peak, suddenly crashes, you will feel the withdrawal, and yun yung nararamdaman ninyo na gutom na naman kayo after 2 hours pa lang, kakakain nyo pa lang. So, ngayon, the fructose that's in the fruit, the unique thing about fructose, yan po ay diretso po yan sa atay, mga kapatid. And so if you're eating a very big portion of that, then that will contribute. Although sugar po siya, right? It's sugar. It's the base material is sugar, but it gets deposited sa liver natin as fat. And isa po yan sa mga causes talaga ng fatty liver. Many people, they don't eat other things. Sasabihin nila, di naman ako nagre-rice, di naman ako nagre-bread. In fact, nakikita ko to a lot in my patients. Hindi sila palakain ng rice, walang bread, pero grabe magprutas. Kaya nga po, matindi pa rin yung fatty liver. Kasi diretso po sa atay yung epekto ng fructose po na yan. Ano po?